Today, I'll teach you a few back massage techniques. Start by pinching and lifting from the bottom to the top. 4 fingers simultaneously move upwards. Then, alternate hands to pinch and lift upwards. These 2 movements. Usually, after completing 3 rounds, you will start sweating. Horizontally pinch and lift the upper back. Take it slow, don't apply too much pressure. Then, from the spine, diagonally lift to the shoulders. Finally, pinch and lift the waist. Roll the thumbs back. Once you get the hang of it, this is the speed. Repeat each movement 3 to 5 times. The upper back often feels uncomfortable. Horizontally push on these 3 points above the shoulder blades. Straight push. Push along the shoulder blade seam. Pinch and lift the trapezius muscle. Push outward toward the shoulder. Push upward around the shoulder. Use the base of your palm to knead. Push along the lower edge of the shoulder blade. Make a fist and push the muscles on both sides of the spine. Learn it and try it at home.